Things to do and see in Lampedusa. Imagine a tiny strip of land suspended between Europe and Africa. Crystal clear waters, wind-sculpted cliffs, and beaches so pure they seem unreal. But there's a secret here, hidden in plain sight, that makes Lampedusa unlike any other island in the world. By the end of this journey, I promise you will see this place in a completely new light.
Rabbit Beach, a natural wonder. The moment you arrive on Lampedusa, one name will keep coming up: Rabbit Beach. Voted many times among the most beautiful beaches on Earth, it is a place of dazzling white sand and waters shifting from emerald green to deep blue. And every summer, an ancient ritual takes place here. The loggerhead sea turtles, Caretta, come back to nest, just as they did millions of years ago. Standing here feels like witnessing prehistory unfolding in the present.
Cala Pulcino, the power of time. If you continue along the southern coast, you reach Cala Pulcino, accessible by a scenic trail surrounded by limestone cliffs carved over millennia. Embedded in these rocks are fossils of seashells, silent witnesses of a time when the sea once covered lands where we now walk. Exploring this cove is like reading an open book of geology, where every stone carries a tale of Earth's distant past. And remember that secret I promised? We're getting closer.
The heart of everyday life, the town and its flavors. Lampedusa isn't just about its shores. In the island's small but lively village, you'll find fishermen unloading their catch of swordfish and groupers in the early morning. The couscous of Lampedusa is legendary, a dish that blends Sicilian tradition with North African influences, just as the island itself is a cultural crossroads. Sitting in the local trattoria, savoring this dish while the sun slowly sinks into the sea, is one of the simplest yet most unforgettable experiences here.
Boat excursions, the gates of the Mediterranean. One of the best ways to discover every facet of the island is by boat. In just a few hours, you can circle around Lampedusa, stopping in hidden coves like Cala or Cala Greca, once safe havens for ancient trading vessels. And here's another surprising fact. Despite being Italian, the island lies only about 113 kilometers from the Tunisian coast, a true gateway between two continents. And now, it's time to reveal the secret. What makes Lampedusa truly unique is not only its natural beauty or cultural blend. The secret lies beneath your very feet. Geologically speaking, this island does not belong to Europe at all. It rests on African tectonic plate. So when you walk barefoot along Rabbit Beach, you are, in fact, standing in Africa while still being within the borders of Italy and Europe. A fascinating paradox that makes Lampedusa not just a destination, but a living testimony to the encounter of worlds. So when you visit Lampedusa, remember that each wave, each rock, and each sunset carries the story of connection between continents, cultures, and times long past. If you enjoyed this journey, I'd love for you to subscribe and ring the bell so you won't miss the next adventure. But above all, tell me in the comments, if you were standing on a beach that bridges two continents, what emotions would you feel?